If Bodeem is not sending you a verification code, don't worry. This is a common issue and it usually happens for a few specific reasons. Let's go through them step by step. One of the most common reasons is an incorrect phone number. Make sure you entered your number correctly and selected the right country code. Even a small mistake can prevent the code from arriving. Another reason could be network issues. If your mobile signal is weak or unstable, SMS messages may be delayed or blocked. Try switching networks or moving to an area with better signal. In some cases, your mobile carrier may block automated or international SMS messages. This can prevent Bodeem from delivering the verification code to your phone. The issue can also be related to the app or your device. Make sure Bodeem is updated to the latest version, and that your phone's operating system is up to date. Restarting your device can also help. If you requested the verification code multiple times in a short period, Bodeem may temporarily block new requests. In this case, wait a few hours before trying again. To fix the issue, double-check your number, confirm your network connection, update the app, and wait before retrying. If the problem continues, contacting Bodeem support